Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our regular tutorial of Learn with Muhammad. Today we are going to discuss a very important date and time function, and this is network days. This network days function is to calculate the total business dates between two date. If you have the starting date and the ending date, it can be a project starting date or project ending date. It can be job starting date or job ending date. It can be anything. You just need a starting date or ending date. And if you want to use the network this function, you will get the total business days between these two dates. That means the working days in a week, there will be 5 or 6 working days based on various types of calculations based on different regions. In our country, there will be 5 business days, but in the private sector, there will be 6 business days. So there will be a holiday and also 5 or 6 business days. Also, there will be some special holidays. If you want to calculate the special holidays, you need to uh, write those special holidays, such as a project will start at 31st of December 2024, and the approximate date of ending this project is 30 of June 2026. So we want to find out the total business days, and also we need to adjust these holidays including these business days. So let's start. Total working days we want to find out, and say net work days. And at first we need to give the start dates and comma and ending dates and the holidays. If you have one holidays, just click the holiday range, holiday cell. If you have multiple holidays, it is generally we have multiple holidays. This will be the special holidays, not the Friday or Sunday. Okay, so we just selected the holidays and close the bracket and press enter. So this is the total business days between two dates. If you want to calculate actual the duration between two dates, you need to use the days function. Say days function, the end date and the starting date. So actually from 31st of December 2024 to 30 June 2026, there will be 546 days. It actually the total days, not business days, but 388 is the business days, because this will be excluded the holidays and the Sunday or Friday regular holiday. So hope you will have the idea of network days. If you have any question, let give the comment section. We will very happy to help you, and see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.